HME is further divided into hydrophobic, hygroscopic and combined form. Hydrophobic has aluminium core. This aluminium core takes heat and moisture from the expired air and releases it into the inspired air, thereby giving humidification to the lungs. Hygroscopic, it has a paper or a foam with low thermal conductivity impregnated with calcium lithium salts. These salts will absorb the moisture during expiration, and during inspiration this moisture is taken back into the lungs. Hygroscopic are better than hydrophobic because the moisture output by hygroscopic is 22 to 34 milligram of water, and for hydrophobic it is 10 to 14 milligram of water. The advantages and disadvantages of HME. Advantage: it is simple, cheap, do not require power source, produces 60 to 80% humidification of inspired gases, improves mucociliary function and sputum clearance, and HMEF will usually decrease the infections in lungs, thereby decreasing ventilator associated pneumonias. Disadvantages: there is increase in dead space, increase in resistance, add bulk to patient end, can be occluded by secretions, blood, water. The efficiency falls as tidal volume, inspiratory flow rate increases. It can take 10 to 20 minutes for HME to equilibrate and reach maximal efficacy. Uses: mechanical ventilation and in tracheostomized patients who no longer require breathing system.